how-to series. This is Christina from Alibaba Cloud Storage team. Today, I'm going to talk about how to archive data on Alibaba Cloud. Well, there are a lot of scenarios which require data archive so as to protect the digital asset. For example, media and entertainment, finance, healthcare industry, etc. Take the media industry as an example. No matter it is the original footage or old movies, usually it is necessary to have them archived to protect the valuable media asset. For finance industry, it is the compliance requirement to have the data backed in the archive. In all these use cases, there are lots of data to be stored. However, if we look at the traditional approaches for data archive, we will find it very hard to scale due to the upfront cost spent on physical infrastructure and overhead from maintenance and operation. What's worse, sometimes due to hardware failure, you may find the data irretrievable. In order to solve the issue, Alibaba Cloud provides cost-effective, flexible, and durable cloud archive solution based on its object storage service, which can help customers easily and quickly scale your archive infrastructure. By deploying Cloud Storage Gateway in the on-premise data center, it sets up a bridge between the files that you want to archive and the cloud storage. Besides, instead of using Cloud Storage Gateway, in some scenarios, for example, the media industry, we work with the partners like TeleStream, who already provides the solution with the interface for cloud archive. All you need is to keep your existing media asset management tool on the premise and choose Alibaba Cloud Storage for data archive. Now let me show you how it works with CSG in a simplified architecture. First, you create an OSS bucket in a region where you want to archive your data and file gateway with specific cache. Then create a share on top of the cache and attach this OSS bucket with its share. Our gateway supports NFS for Linux and SMB Windows Server. After this, you can copy the files to the server for data archive. It may take some time depending on the file size and network bandwidth. To test if the file has been archived in OSS, you could go back to the OSS to have a check. Now, let's look at how we work with our partner to perform data archive in media industry. Similar with Cloud Gateway scenario, OSS has been seamlessly integrated with media asset management software such as Diva, so the customers who already use MEM for OP storage can choose OSS to archive the valuable media asset on the cloud for lower cost and higher agility. For data archive besides OSS, you need to choose the proper networking to fit your business requirements. This table shows how the size of the file and bandwidth impact the time for migration. Finally, I would like to emphasize a little bit on how to balance between performance and cost by choosing the right tier for data storage and archive in your scenario. There are a few important factors that you need to consider about. The first is the data access frequency. Whether the data is hot or cold data, the rest is capacity cost, data retrieval cost, and time. For example, for hot data, it's recommended to use standard storage mode since the retrieval time is instantaneous, while the cost is higher compared with others. In order to balance between cost and performance, you can consider to configure the lifecycle policy for your data. So, that's all for today. Thank you.